why is money such a huge disruptor in relationship?
Because we don't know how to handle it without getting personal. And we haven't been taught, many of us, the right way to manage and handle money. So whenever we make mistakes, we either have to admit our mistake or blame someone else for it. And neither one of those is spider easy to do, but they both require improvement and progress to be made. And so many times, and I'm guilty of this myself, we see men and women just almost refusing to believe that they could be wrong about something. And if they are told that they're wrong, then there is this defense that goes up because you can't criticize me for my decisions. I mean, that happens in so many areas of life. But the reality is that we all make mistakes. We all do things that are not the best decisions, or not, right just by our spouse. But because we don't know any better, that's kind of our default. So the reason that money brings up so many issues is just because we can't get away from it. And until we learn how to talk about it, communicate about it, understand it, we're going to continue to make mistakes, which are going to continue to bring us back to that argument and that trust issue. Like I said, it impacts every part of our life. And that's why I'm so extremely passionate about helping couples overcome that, because it is the biggest challenge to having a healthy marriage. If you struggle to make decisions with your spouse, you're going to struggle to have a good marriage with your spouse. You're going to struggle to manage money with your spouse. You're going to struggle to live life with your spouse. And money is just a huge element of that.